Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to see our first YouTube tutorial. Today we are going to see how to watch YouTube without any ads. So let's go and see that. Yeah. Open your Chrome browser, or you can use any browser. Search for advanced download. Please select the first option, YouTube Advanced. So this is our YouTube Advanced official site. So you will see lot of specifications for downloading this application. So you can select if it is a rooted device, you can select root, or if it is a non-rooted device, you can select non-root. And architecture, you can just leave it to default. So you have app themes, one is dark, another one is black. So I'm just going with a dark theme. So let me download the both things, YouTube Advanced as well as Micro G. Yeah, I have downloaded both of setups, and please go to your Play Store, search for ACI, so that is Split APK Installer, install it. I hope our both of downloads are completed and the app is installed. We are good to go. The installation is done and we have opened our application. Select install APKs and go to download folder and select the version which we have downloaded. Click on install. So this will take some time. I'm clicking on install. Once the setup is installed, we have to install our Micro G services. Alright guys, the installation is done, so we have to install our Micro G services. So I'm going to download folder again, and I'm selecting Micro G YouTube Advanced services. So I'm clicking on install. That's it guys, we have installed our YouTube Advanced application. If you really hate YouTube ads, this is the right app for you, because you can enjoy all your favorite YouTube videos without any ads. YouTube Advanced have lot of other cool features. Please install and check it out guys, and thank you so much for watching this video. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much guys.